To expand photos on POCO M8 Pro 5G, first of all we'll need to open our camera app, then select whichever photo you want to expand on. Now select this pen button to edit it and then navigate to create right here. Click on expand and it may download this plugin, so if it starts to download the plugin, just wait a moment and then it may ask you to log into your Xiaomi account. When everything is done, you will see something like this. Now you can adjust the size of the photo and change the expand areas. We're gonna go for something like this and then we can start. That way it will start to expand the image, and let's wait until the process is done to check it out. So yep, as you can see, it expanded the photo. It's not the best quality, but I guess it works. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.